Optimism could spike 6.3% by June 20, based on CoinLore. First, let's take a closer look at today's market behavior. As of this moment, Optimism has lost 6.2% and is holding near $0.1007. Let's explore what the experts are forecasting. Crypto Predictions forecasts a downward move to $0.0967 by June 20. That's 3.9% below the current level. CoinDataFlow expects Optimism to trade lower towards $0.0994, an estimated drop of 1.3%. Digital Coin Price notes it might be on track for $0.1035, implying a gain of 2.8%. Another forecast from CoinLore indicates Optimism could approach $0.107, an expected rise of about 6.3%. Finally, 30 Rates expects a move to $0.1094 by tomorrow, a rise of 8.6%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. We've reviewed 5 outlooks for tomorrow. Time to continue. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a decrease of 3.9% and an increase of 8.6%. From all predictions, 30 Rates takes the lead with 8.6% improvement in value by June 20. From this, it's clear you could earn between $13 and $86 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, CoinDataFlow has the forecast most likely to succeed, with a 97.7% chance. By reviewing them side by side, I've produced a consensus scenario for clarity. Consensus projections indicate Optimism could trade near $0.1032 after a 2.5% climb. Let's get into the weeds a bit. According to the consensus forecast, the price is expected to rise by about 2.5%. This path implies your capital might also advance by 2.5%. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $25 in gain. So the probability of the consensus path for Optimism playing out is estimated at 96%. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days, according to analysts. A slide is anticipated by Crypto Predictions with pressure on the downside. Also, CoinDataFlow notes bearish momentum building up. An upward drive is anticipated by Digital Coin Price. Also, CoinLore highlights that Optimism is on an upward path. Additionally, 30 Rates describes Optimism as following a rising course. By merging analyst expectations, the consensus paints a picture of steady upward momentum for Optimism across the 3-day outlook. The combined analysis shows 60% of forecasts leaning bullish, indicating Optimism could trend upward. 5 forecasts for the next day came out 2 days back. Now that it's passed, we know the outcome. Ultimately, the market closed near $0.1093. Yesterday showed that most analysts captured the correct move. By accuracy standards, coin price forecast came out strongest. Now let's open up the details. Yesterday's candle showed 4 forecasts inside. For ROI, multiple analysts ended in the green, and the maximum return recorded was 2.4%. Moving on to the performance summary. A clear way to compare how each analyst did. The stats for Traders Union show 97.9% forecast probability, accuracy, and 1% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Optimism. At second place we find Optimism, while Uniswap continues to lead at 3%. In this section, Optimism is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets is now available on my website. Subscribe now so you're the first to see how forecasts shift tomorrow. Have a great day.